Hey there guys, today I'm going to guide you through a 10-minute morning yoga stretch. This practice is for all levels and we're going to focus a little bit on tension in our lower back. So if you have anything going on in your lower back, please make sure and modify anything that you need to, because obviously there's a broad spectrum here for people who are in pain and people who are, just experiencing some tension. This practice is geared a little bit more towards people who are experiencing tension as opposed to chronic pain. Okay, so join me. We're going to get started at the front of our mat. So we're going to start with some very gentle forward bends, and we're going to bend our knees as much as we need to, okay? So inhale, hands rise. Exhale, fold forward. You can bring your hands to your knees, and you can bend your knees as much as you like. Inhale, coming to a flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up to standing. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale. Exhale. Really important to remember here. One of the easiest ways to let go of tension is through long exhale breaths, okay? So keep your mind and focus a little bit more on your exhale breaths here. Inhale, come all the way up to standing. Exhale. Inhale, hands rise. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, head up. Exhale, step your left foot back. Bring both hands to the inside of your right foot here. We're just going to stay here in this low lunge. You can be toes curled under or on the tops of your feet. Just a few breaths here, steady breaths. Mindful of the exhalation. Good. Then coming backwards into this cycler stretch. Pretty common stretches that I use in my practices. Opening through our hips. And stepping forward, curling our toes under, stepping forward. Exhale. Inhale. Hands to our side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stepping our right foot back, lowering to our right knee. Coming forward, stepping our right foot forward. Exhale, fold. We're going to hang out here for a few moments. Bend your knees as much as you need to. Inhale. Exhale, stepping our right foot back. And then our left foot back, lowering to our knees. Coming back onto our shins. Hands are extended out in front of us for puppy pose. Coming up onto all fours. One of my favorite postures for back tension, cat and cow,
rounding our spine. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Coming back and sitting on our heels. I'm going to do a little side stretch here. Taking our right hand up and over our head. Also getting a little bit of flexion in our toes. Over to the other side. Back to center, coming back onto the tops of our feet. Going to come into child's pose here. Folding right over our legs. Again, you might need to modify this. If your knees need to go wider, feel free to do so. Let your hands just round around your legs. Really conscious of our exhale breaths here. Our back body just drapes over our legs. With each exhale, just imagine everything, every fiber in your back just loosening and folding around your legs. Good. Coming all the way back up. We're going to come up into a little downward facing dog here. Bend your knees if you need to. Allow your left knee to stay bent and then twist your right foot to a 45 and reach out through your right fingertips, dropping down through your right heel, opening deeply through our side body. Over to the other side, keeping our right knee bent, moving our left leg towards straight, reaching our left fingertips, opening up. Good. Coming back to center, lowering to our knees. We're going to come down onto our bum. Coming into a little seated twist here, working on our torso and our hips, bending our right knee, taking our left arm around our right knee, right hand reaches behind us, sitting nice and tall. I like to keep my left toes engaged because this means that I'm present in my entire posture here. It's kind of like our life. We're trying not to flake out in our life, so we try not to flake out in our yoga practice. Inhale, exhale. Going to do a little forward fold here. Grab a hold of your toes. This is common in Ashtanga practice. I don't practice Ashtanga as much as I used to, but I still love the practice very much. And fold forward. Inhale, exhale. Bringing our left heel in, left hand behind us, sitting nice and tall, wrapping around, or you can just use your hand as well. Good. Releasing. Gonna just sit here for a moment, bringing our hands to our shins, coming into a little bit of a seated cat and cow. Alrighty, and that's it for today. Before you move on, take a moment to notice how your body feels after the practice. Leave a comment in the comments section. Let me know how you feel. If you want to practice, if you want to keep practicing, there's going to be a video that's going to pop up here for you on the screen. And other than that, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow in class. Namaste.